Hey, Steve, are we there yet?
What? You're the one leading me!
I know. I'm just so sick of walking.
Whoa! What's happening?
I don't know. It's not me.
Whoa! There's been an update!
Master, I'm scared. Master! Master! Run!
I'm trying! Hey, buddy, can you help me out? What a jerk.
Oh, Master!
What?
Look out.
Thanks. So, what's new?
We are looking for diamonds.
Reaper!
I mean, we're looking for diamonds.
Schmimans? Schmimans? They sound fun! Lying, you imbecile! Oh, daylight. Hey, Creeper. There's something I wanted to ask you.
Yes, Master?
Did you want to be best friends?
Sorry, bestie. Are you okay?
Ugh, gross. Creeper, look what I found in the boogers.
Oh, that X. That's where the diamonds are.
And we must be near that big F-off tree.
Huh? A baby slime! Oh my god, he's so cute!
Creeper? Who is that?
This is Charles. I gave him a hat.
Not him. Him! What the hell? Screw it, I know the way now.
I got the Mapsy's bra.
Yes, everything's going exactly to plan.
Your throat sounds totes harsh balls, man.
Hey, Creeper. There's something I wanted to ask you.
Yes, Master?
Did you want to be